People are making full-time income with YouTube Shorts, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can potentially make $4,000 with one video. YouTube is pushing YouTube Shorts very hard. They have 6.5 billion views on Shorts, and they don't have enough creators. So they're paying millions of dollars to creators to make Shorts. You can use old TikTok videos. Just don't use the TikTok logo. Zoom out of it, block it out, put a text over it or something. And they don't like the TikTok logo in YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts are easy to make. I'm going to show you how to make them. They're under a minute. You can use other YouTube videos. YouTube has allowed people to use YouTube videos without copyright problems. Okay, so you can use any video, but we're going to use Creative Commons videos because those you have zero chance of having copyright. And you're going to use popular music because YouTube Shorts, they let you use popular music up to 15 seconds, I think. And you're going to do something called affiliate marketing, and you're going to sell either an affiliate product, or I'm going to show you how you can sell t-shirts. The first thing you do is you got to pick a niche, something quick. We're going to pick puppies, we're going to pick pets, we're going to pick dogs, we're going to pick pugs. We're going to narrow down the niche into pugs, okay? Next, you're going to search YouTube for videos about pugs, and you're going to search Creative Commons. You're going to download some videos, and then the next step, step 3, is you're going to go to an MP4 YouTube video converter, search it on Google. It's very simple, or watch my other video. I'll leave a link over here. And so you download that and you convert it into an MP4, and then you go to Canva, and that's another step. Step 4, you go to Canva, and I'm going to show you how to do that real quick in Canva, and to chop down videos into 1-minute clips, under 1 minute, for your YouTube Shorts. And then step 5 is the money step. That's monetization. That's where you make your money. And I'm going to show you how you're going to make $4,000 with a video, potentially, depending on the views. I'm going to show you how many views these guys are getting for pug videos.